everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's Bree here, and today's video we're going to be talking about iPhone tips and tricks. So you guys are just there using your iPhones, and some of you don't know that your iPhones can do some of these things, and I'm going to tell you. And that's why you have me in your life, because I'm here to help you use your device better. So the first one I'm going to tell you is how to scan documents. So yes, there are apps on the internet, on the app store, that you can use to scan your documents, but do you know that your notes app can actually scan your documents for you? All you need to do is open your notes app, tap on the camera, click on scan documents, and voila, you have scanned the document. I wish I knew this earlier, because in the past my sister has been disturbing me. Scan this for me, please, scan this for me. And me, I'll not have any app. I'll not need waste my data, download the app, and immediately I scan, I delete it, because well, now I have this and you know this. So when you need to scan your documents, you're welcome. The next one is flash notifications. So I know some of you, your phones are always on silent or DND, and you don't like your phones to distract you when you're using it. So when you're doing something, I mean, you don't like your phones to distract you. So in order to turn this on, so flash for notifications and phone calls, you go to settings, accessibility, audio visual, then you scroll down, you see turn on LED notifications, flash notifications, and that is it. It's as simple as that. And yet again, you're welcome. Number 3, your calculator app. You know that anytime you make a mistake like imputing numbers, you don't need to actually press AC to clear everything. All you need to do is literally just hold your device, you swipe left or right, and it will erase that. So it's as simple as that, and you're welcome too. Also, talking about calculating, you know, you don't actually need to open the calculator app every time you need to like get a calculation quickly. So you can just swipe down your spotlight, type what you want to do, whether it's 2 times 2, and it will appear there. The answer is 4. So the next trick we're going to be talking about is very important, so I need you guys to listen carefully. You know, when a thief should steal your phone, the first thing he tries to do is either turn it off or put your phone on airplane mode and take out the SIM and all this, so that you can't access your device. You get what I'm saying? So this is a way for you to lock your control center from the lock screen. All you need to do is to open settings, click on Face ID, or whether it's Face ID or Touch ID you have, scroll down, click on control center, you turn it off, and now when you swipe down, when your phone is locked, it won't happen. So if they steal your device, they can't put it on airplane mode, and it will be easier for you to track. So yeah, you're welcome. And the next thing, do you know that the back of your phone can actually act as a button? So this is called back tap. All you need to do is to go into settings, accessibility, touch, then scroll down to back tap. You can do 2 taps. I set mine 2 taps for screenshots and 3 taps to take a picture, so to open the camera rather. So that's a very nice thing to do, because I don't need to be holding the lock button and the power button and the volume up button every time I need to take a screenshot. I just double tap at the back and my screenshot. But sometimes it also makes me take like screenshots of moments I'm not supposed to. Like, there was a period I was viewing someone's snap, and by mistake back tap happened, and I took a screenshot of the snap, and she was like, why am I taking a screenshot? And I was like, it was a mistake. Genuinely, it was a mistake, but obviously you don't expect the person to believe it was a mistake. So take that with a pinch of salt. That's just what happened to me. And yes, the last but not the least, you know how many tabs you have on Safari. Like me, I have a lot of tabs on Safari. So in case you want to clear all of them, you don't need to be tapping all of them one by one. All you need to do is to just swipe up when all the tabs are there, hold on the done button, then the option will pop up, close all tabs. So thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, share, subscribe, and watch out for part 2, because there are more tips and tricks I'm going to be sharing with you guys. So yeah, see you guys.